Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, cold butter, and milk. Using cold butter is key for achieving that wonderfully flaky texture we all love. Remember, the less you handle the dough, the more tender your biscuits will be. So, work quickly and efficiently to get the best results. This simple approach ensures a delicious outcome every time. Once your ingredients are ready, cut your cold butter into small pieces, around 1/2 inch. This helps it incorporate evenly into the flour. Next, gently combine your dry and wet ingredients, mixing just until they come together. Avoid overworking the dough. Finally, roll your dough to a consistent thickness of about 3/4 of an inch before cutting out your biscuit shapes. This ensures even baking. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut biscuits on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You're looking for beautiful golden brown tops and bottoms. Once baked, transfer your hot biscuits to a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy, ensuring a perfect texture. These delicious biscuits are best enjoyed warm, perhaps with some jam or gravy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. It's perfect for reading your favorite recipes or a good book anywhere. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.